Hey guys, Cupid here, and today I'm doing a tutorial, and today I'm showing you guys how to do the Pyraminx method keyhole. Okay, so keyhole is the second step in Pyraminx history. Usually you'll start off with layer by layer, and you should all know what that is. And next you're probably going to want to learn how to get faster. So keyhole is a method that usually evolves off of pretty much all the other Pyraminx methods around there. So basically what it is basically you're going to make a block right here. I'll be showing you a walkthrough of this first, a block, and then you'll go ahead and leave a keyhole open, solve the edges, and then you'll have you'll have a couple of last layer cases which I'll be showing you guys. And those last layer cases are used for pretty much all the Pyraminx methods. So for Pyraminx methods, it's very important to know multiple methods for solving Pyraminx, because different scrambles can be solved quicker using different ways. So I'm going to go and do a walkthrough solve right here for you guys. Okay, so first step is making a double block. So I notice I already have one edge solved right here. I'm going to go and say this green and blue right here. So let's find the green and blue edge. It's right here. And I know I'm going to have to move it counterclockwise so I can put it up to its place just like that to make the block. The block itself just like that. And you can just forget about this piece for now. So what you want to notice in inspection is what color is not up here. And that's yellow. So that means, by up here I mean this center right here. So I need to find all the yellow so I can see that if I flip it over, there's one yellow edge already solved, and I know I have to put both of these down there. So what I'm going to do here is you're going to find your keyhole, which is right here, put it on top of the edge, and then just pull that edge down so it's down and solved. Find the other edge, find your keyhole, put the keyhole on top, move it down, there you go. And what do you know, I also already put that in there. So I'm actually going to remove that. Okay, so after I got all these yellow edges solved, now you got to complete this top layer right here, the top layer. The top layer, I mean, put in this final edge right here, the green and red. So I'm going to find that, and that's right here. So I know I can't go like this and put it up there. First of all, it'd be in backwards, so I have to move it counterclockwise. And second of all, I can't just put it up there, because why? Well, it's going to bring up that yellow edge that we just solved, the yellow center. So the algorithm for this, all you're going to do is you're going to bring up the left side. It's going to be an L prime. Bring down the right side. Okay. Bring down the left side again. And then bring up the right side. And I'll have that algorithm right there, which is L prime, R prime, L, I don't know. So there we go. So now I'm down to the final thing, which is the hardest part of this whole thing, is keyhole last layer. So there's quite a few, not a whole lot, just quite a few algorithms, and they're not difficult to learn. They're pretty simple, but there's a couple of them. So after you got this done, you got all the edges solved, you got this top edge solved, you got all the center solved, now you're on the last layer. So basically, last layer, you're going to flip the cube over like this, have the bottom face, that was your bottom face, facing you. So this case right here, what you're going to do here is, you can see, if you have the whole bottom face solved, all you have is just these couple centers. Here's the algorithm for that. So there's two different cases like this, and here they are. Okay, so here's the two cases. So you can either have this case right here with the bottom solved, and all the centers right here, the edges, they need to be moved clockwise. So as you can see, clockwise. This red edge needs to be right here, blue edge needs to be right there, clockwise motion. Or you can have the other case, which is like this. The red needs to go over here, yellow needs to go down there, so on. It's counterclockwise. So let's get started with the normal clockwise motion right here. So you're going to hold it like this, just have the bottom facing you. Okay, you're going to do this algorithm just like this. Here it is right there. And you should already know the first part of this, because it's pretty simple. And you should already know it from layer by layer. Here it is. There you go. That's a shank shot Pyraminx. It's not good. So there you go. And here's the next one, which is counterclockwise. Same position as the other one, but it's just going to be the other algorithm you learned for layer by layer. And here it is. There you go. So not very many moves. All these algorithms are not very many moves. So let's go ahead and get on to the next cases. Okay, so here's this case right here. This algorithm is very simple. It's a part of the first one I showed you where the bottom's solved and they need to go clockwise. It's just the first part, so like this. So this time they need to go counterclockwise. So you see this red piece right here? So on the bottom, you have two solved, and then this one's incorrect. This edge, sorry, one solved but incorrect. These two need to be flipped and are also incorrect. So what you're going to see here is they all need to go counterclockwise, other than the other one right here, where they all need to go, let's see, they all need to go clockwise. So I'm going to talk about the counterclockwise one first. It's very simple. Here's the algorithm. Super fast, nothing to it. So yeah, here's the next one right here. Very easy as well. So as you can see, they need to go clockwise this time. But instead of holding it like this, you're going to go ahead and hold it like that. And you're going to do the same algorithm just on the right side. So here it goes. Just like that, and you're done. So let's go and get on to the next case here. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I know I thought there was 2 more. So yeah, there's only 4 algorithms for this video. For Keyhole last layer, 4 algorithms for the whole thing itself. So that's pretty easy if you ask me. Actually 5 if you count that little edge flip case thing right there. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, guys. I know it wasn't the greatest. It might have been a little confusing. It was really confusing for me at first. Pretty much keep watching this video and over again until you finally realize how you actually learn how to do this. For me, the hardest part was actually understanding the keyhole part itself, flipping the edges down. After watching this over and over again, you'll understand. So thanks for watching, guys, and see you later.